Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to Astro Bhava and Vedic Secrets podcast, your sacred space for exploring ancient wisdom in a modern world. I'm your host, and today we are diving into something deeply personal and profoundly powerful: marriage. A sacred bond, a union of souls. But let's be honest, even the most beautiful relationships face storms, misunderstandings, emotional distance, financial tension, trust issues. These sound familiar, right? If you have ever thought, why is this happening to my relationship? Or, we were perfect once, what went wrong? Then today's episode is just for you. We are exploring how Nadi astrology, one of the oldest spiritual sciences, can not only reveal the hidden karmic patterns behind the relationship struggles, but also help heal them. And yes, we'll also tell you how our team at Astrobhava has helped real couples, including some based right here in the US, rediscover harmony and love through this sacred tradition. So let's begin. First thing first, what exactly is Nadi astrology? Nadi astrology is a form of divine knowledge passed down by ancient sages of India. According to this system, your life, every major event, including your marriage, has already been written on the ancient palm leaves. These were inscribed thousands of years ago by great sages using divine insight and preserved in South India. Sounds mystical, right? But here's the amazing part. Those palm leaves hold your story, and through a meticulous matching process using your thumb impression, we at Astrobhava help people like you find their leaf and decode their soul's blueprint. Now, let's talk about marriage. Nadi astrology does not just tell you about your partner, it reveals the karmic threads between you two, things that happened in the past lifetimes, unresolved energies, spiritual contracts, all of it. I'll give you a real world example. Meet Sarah and Daniel from Austin, Texas. They had been married for 7 years, but the last two had been rocky. Arguments over small things, emotional withdrawal, and eventually they started living like roommates. Desperate to save their marriage, they reached out to Astrobhava after reading about us online. Through a Nadi consultation, we discovered that their souls had met before in a past life where betrayal had occurred. That old karmic pain was playing out again in subtle ways, creating emotional tensions in the present. Once this was revealed, we guided them through the recommended remedies, specific homas, fire rituals, mantra chanting, and a simple lifestyle shift to align their energies. And guess what? 3 months later, Sarah messaged us. I can't explain it, but something shifted. We are talking again, we are laughing. It feels like we remembered how to love. And that's the power of Nadi astrology. Let's break it down. At Astrobhava, here's how the process works. Firstly, thumb impression matching. You send us your thumbprint, right thumb for male and for left thumb for female. Leaf search identification. We identify your palm leaf and the correct bundle using your birth details. Then, the reading and interpretation. Once your leaf is found, we translate its ancient Tamil script into your native language and explain everything like the past karma, current relationship dynamics, even the future predictions. And finally, the remedy prescription. You receive a personalized remedies based on your reading. This can include homas, japas, temple visit, and even lifestyle advice. And yes, all of this can be done online, wherever you are in the world. Whether you are in New York, or Chicago, or Texas, Astrobhava is just a call away. Now, let's dive into some frequently asked questions we get from couples like you. Can Nadi astrology help me if one partner believes in it? Absolutely. In many cases, only one person comes for the reading, but even doing the remedies for yourself can bring about a shift in the energy of the relationship. Remember, marriage is a karmic bond. Healing your part of the karma can positively influence the whole relationship. What kind of issues can Nadi astrology help with in marriage? Emotional disconnection, constant arguments, lack of intimacy, trust issues, interference from in laws, fertility related struggles, and even divorce. It's not just about predicting, it's about healing the root cause. How soon can we expect the results from doing the remedies? Great question. While some people notice changes within weeks, for others it may take a few months. Think of it like energetic surgery. Once the karmic blocks are cleared, your life starts aligning. Patience is the key, but the shift is often deep and long lasting. If you have been feeling stuck in your marriage, if you are tired of the blame game and therapy that goes nowhere, maybe it's time to go deeper. Not just into your partner's mind, but into your soul connection. At Astrobhava, we are honored to be guides on that journey. We have helped couples across the US, UK, Australia, and of course India rediscover not just each other but themselves. And remember, your story is already written. We are just here to help you read it and rewrite it with awareness. If today's episode resonated with you, visit our website at astrobhava.com to book your personalized Nadi astrology consultations. You can also follow us on Instagram and YouTube as Astrobhava for real client stories and spiritual insights, because love is not just a feeling, it is a sacred journey, and every sacred journey deserves divine guidance. Thanks for listening to Sacred Bonds, Healing Marriage through Nadi Astrology and Astrobhava Insight. Until the next time, stay aware, stay connected, and remember, the stars are always speaking. Are you ready to listen?